What's next?
Oh,
this is not mine.
Check it out.
That's right, Big Poppa, right up in here. All right, remember this is that funky step. You could do 2 steps, or you could be like Amanda. She getting ready to rock it out up in here. We're gonna slide step up. You're gonna give me 4 of them. Here we go.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping my way.
Remember, you can just do 2 steps.
Back of the club, macking my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these homies Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers.
One more. We add on.
Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS.
We're gonna salsa front, salsa back. Turn.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a
Do
true
it again.
player. To the honeys getting money, playing fellas like dummies. You got it up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place.
Last time.
Cause I see some
What's he say?
tonight that should be having my baby. Baby.
4 up, go.
Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these fellas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gonna be here for a while? I'm gonna call my crew. You gonna call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's, pull the truck up front and roll up the.
I won't even tell you how long I've practiced that move. I only got it after Amanda was like, pick your foot up, Jamie. I was like, oh, I get it.
For a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo?
That's right, boo. Last one.
And watch a movie in the jacuzzi, smoke
Salsa.
while you do me.
Throw.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
Throw those hands up.
To the honeys getting money, playing fellas like dummies. You got it up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby.
Slide it up, come on.
How you living, Biggie Smalls?
Imagining Benzes giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous.
How your legs
cream,
feeling?
Get $1 and a dream. Still tote gas strapped with
They still feeling, they're like way fresh, right?
Smoking line optimals, money the clothes, all the
It's about ready to trash them. That's what's getting ready to go down.
I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, coochie sweater now, drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
As long as you put it to a good song, it's
Tell
okay.
your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends.
We could be friends.
We could do this every weekend. That's right. All right?
You're like, Jamie, that's not the kind of friends
that
he's
how
talking about.
Yeah. Keep
Salsa. Throw your hands in the air.
If you's a true player.
Turn it.
To the honeys getting money, playing fellas like dummies. You got the gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place.
Cause why?
I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
My baby. You thought it was over. Girl, this is a 90s song. We still got like 2 more minutes.
Represent, baby, baby.
All right, everybody, prepare yourself. Put your legs like this. We're gonna go like this as soon as the music starts.